Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, I woke up this morning, and well, let me show you something. Camera pans down to a dark, ominous puddle under a scooter. Yep, the dreaded puddle of shame. And trust me, it's not a pleasant sight to behold. Especially when you're anticipating a smooth morning commute. Looks like my trusty scooter decided to, well, leak. And not just a little drip. A proper puddle, a significant, oily mess that tells a tale of mechanical woe. First things first, the cleanup. This is always, without a doubt, the most frustrating part. Grab your rags, your degreaser, and prepare to get your hands dirty. Host starts wiping down the scooter parts near the puddle. See all this? This is what nightmares are made of. Sticky, grimy, and smells, well, let's just say it's not exactly a rose garden down here. It's a combination of engine oil, road grime, and a healthy dose of despair. Seriously, this is the part where you question all of your life choices. This is why I love scooters so much, right? Okay, so everything's cleaned up as best as I can manage. Which, let's be honest, is never truly perfect. Now comes the fun part, trying to find the source of the leak. Time to fire her up. Host starts the scooter and the engine runs for a bit. Nope, nothing yet. Just a slightly unsettling silence. Let it run a little longer. Still nothing. Okay, this is already frustrating. The anticipation is killing me. The suspense is real. Let's get a flashlight, the more light the better. Host starts looking around the scooter. Alright, let's get down and dirty. Inspecting every nook and cranny. Aha! I think I found it. It is so small, you can barely see it. A tiny, almost invisible weep. I think the leak is coming from Host points the camera at a tiny spot. This little guy. This minuscule culprit, a worn-out gasket. Seriously? A tiny gasket? A piece of rubber smaller than my thumbnail, is causing all of this? The puddle of shame all over again. The utter audacity. After all this cleaning, the whole ordeal is reduced to something so simple. Well, there you have it, folks. The culprit, a tiny, insignificant gasket. But as we all know, it's the little things, the seemingly inconsequential details, that cause the biggest headaches, the most monumental frustrations. It's a testament to Murphy's Law, isn't it? The process is never easy, but hey, at least we learned something, right? A lesson in patience, perseverance, and the importance of regular maintenance. Let me know in the comments if you've had a similar experience with a puddle of shame. Share your tales of woe. What were your leak-related nightmares? And, as always, thanks for watching.